Hello, welcome to NelsonJM, and right now we want to look at the updates that are available on the WAEC 2026 examination. As you saw in the previous video, I told you about what is new, what you look out for. So right now, the first thing you need to do is to update your WAEC CASS application. I've started receiving calls about the difficulties that will be encountered. Remember, the subjects have been categorized, so you need to update your application as well as the subjects in whole. Now, to update the application, all you need to do is to connect the system to the internet. Make sure you're connected to a reliable internet source, because any obstruction of network, maybe a breakage, will take you back to square one. It's just a 3 megabytes, so it might not take long if your internet connection is reliable. So what you need to do is to launch the application if you are connected to the internet. After that, you would follow the prompt. It will pop up this screen telling you a new update is available. Accept it, then allow it to run the update as expected. Now, after it's finished in the update, the Windows account control will pop up with a blue screen. If you're using Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11, it will pop up with a blue screen. A blue screen is usually a protection guide, but it has two options: a more option on the instruction written, and then it has the cancel. The cancel will now delete the downloaded files, but that's not what you want to achieve. So you want to proceed to install the update. So you click on more and install anyway. That way it will install. If you have an antivirus installed, make sure you are watching your screen, because it will prompt you like mine. I'm running the antivirus 360 total security, so it prompts me that so file is trying to install. Do I want to allow it? Do I want to block it? I would allow all the files, and that's all you need to do. So after that, the next thing is still connected to the internet, log into the WAEC CASS application. After logging into the WAEC CASS application, you have some prompts on the screen. If this is the first time you are updating this, you are going to follow get a series of instructions, which include go to administration and update the subject, because you are running on the old subject curriculum. So you proceed to administration menu, and then select update center details. If you click on update center details, it will check for your internet connection. If it's reliable enough, it will pull data from the online server. That data that is pulled will be updated into the application database, and that way your system becomes updated. Now, after the system has updated, this is what you are going to note: the fact that if you go to student registration, where you are supposed to enter the student details and register them, you will notice that the category tab is back, where you have the business, you have the humanities, and you have the sciences. That means our subjects are back to normal. And then the second thing you are going to notice is that civic education has been struck off. So in view of this, you would have to notify your school that civic education is no more, so they would sit down and decide which subject to replace with. You have the full list of the subjects that will be available to the students, and that way you proceed from whichever position you are. So thank you for watching this episode. I'm going to walk you through some other changes, and we'll see how we can resolve if and only if you have a lot of students, and then doing it one after the other is a hassle. We'll see on how to resolve it. with a different application. So thank you and see you in the next video.